This guide will show you how to generate a dynamic transaction monitor report. On the dashboard of your Nayax Core Management Suite, click on the Reports tab. From the drop-down menu, click Online Reports, and from the sub-menu, click on Dynamic Transactions Monitor as highlighted in red. Fill in your operator details and other fields. If you do not provide any machine reference, the report generated will include all your machines. Set the Time Interval tab and input the time frame for which this report will be generated. Fill in the machine reference, highlighted in red, to view the report for a specific device. To expand your results from the default of 200, set your preference to make it easier to view all existing transactions, as highlighted in yellow. Once ready to generate your report, click the View Report tab. After generating the report, some lines are highlighted according to the transaction status. By hovering over the highlighted line or clicking on the color wheel, highlighted in red, you can view the glossary of color meanings. To view a specific transaction or perform a refund, fill in the transaction ID or the last 4 digits of the end customer's credit card as highlighted. Pro tip: this information is in your last sales report under Operations Machines. After clicking View Report, the single transaction will appear. You can check its status or refund it. Pro tip: pay attention to the settlement value column, highlighted in red. If this value is 0, it means that the money has not been permanently taken from the end customer, and the sum will be automatically returned to them by their banking provider. Thanks for watching.